Hey y'all, so I am packing today for a trip to South Africa. I've got my Bowtech Eva Gen 3 here and I'll be breaking it in over there. So I'm super excited about that. If you guys have been following me for a while now, then you know that I was in Africa a couple years ago when I was pregnant with Renly. We had an absolute blast, but we were only able to hunt a few animals. But I'm going back over there and I cannot wait to let some arrows fly. So today I'm going to share with you what I'm packing. So I like to pack the bare minimums when I go to Africa, mainly because I don't like to check a bag. I'm going to be checking my bow as it is. So if I can fit all of my gear and stuff in a carry-on and my backpack, then that's the main goal. So we're going to see if we can do that. I may have to squeeze like a couple pair of pants in with my bow or something, but I think we can make it happen. So let's go over all the gear that I'll be packing in my carry-on. Obviously, I'm going to have some leggings, underwear, socks, bras, all the things crammed in there already with just like a couple t-shirts and a couple tank tops. But everything else is what I'm going to be wearing when I'm hunting. I think I do have an extra t-shirt there. But yeah, everything else, I'm taking 2 hats. So I'm going to be taking this one by Hornady and then this one by DSG. So first things first, whenever I'm flying, I usually want a light jacket. So this fleece one is perfect. This is actually the inner layer of the Kylie, and I just kind of unzipped it. And this is what I'm going to take for the flight there, and I'm just going to pair it with leggings. And I'll probably wear my hunting boots to save on space. Alright, so here's the first outfit that I paired together, and that is the DSG field pants in the color khaki, and then the bamboo hooded top in bottomland, and then the ball cap with the ponytail cutout in the color sage. I just feel like this all goes so well together and it's perfect for spot and stalk. So this top is going to be perfect for Africa because the sun is extra strong there. So you're covered from head to toe. You don't have to worry about getting sunburnt. Although some days I probably will wear a tank top. Not gonna lie, because this girl could use a tan. Probably pair this top again with these pants, and these are the Courtney pants by DSG. I love how high-waisted they are. They're a perfect fit. They are a little louder than the field pant, but these will be perfect when I'm sitting in a blind with my bow hunting. So I love these. I'm going to change my shirt and we'll be right back. Alright y'all, for this next one, I just picked out the Courtney Stone pants paired with the field shirt in the color khaki. I love these field shirts, especially for Africa. They're perfect. You can actually roll them up. They have a clip there. And again, they're going to protect you from the harsh sun. But if you want to wear a tank top under these, you can totally do that and then just throw this on for the cool mornings. Speaking of cool mornings, I'm also taking my trusty performance jacket. This has been a favorite of mine for a while now, and it's just in the color olive. I'm throwing that in there just in case it's chillier in the mornings or late at night. And honestly, the pants that I picked out, you can mix and match with the shirts. I also have this field shirt in a different color. So, I mean, you could pair that with that. I think this looks better with the khaki pants, so let me show you that. Alright, and the next thing I ordered was this sage and khaki field shirt, which pairs nicely with pretty much any of the pants that I picked out as well. But right now I have them paired with the Courtney khaki pants. And these, I love the Courtney and I love the field pants, but for different reasons. Or hunting in a blind, they are a little bit louder than the field pant, but I still like them for their own reasons. But they are a little bit more heavy duty. So if you're going through the brush, you're going to want the Courtneys. So obviously you guys know I love DSG. I love the brand. You can obviously tell that it's designed by women. But let me just show you how much detail they put into their product. Okay, so you know when you wear a button up, well, you know when it normally like bulges out a little bit right here and you don't want to show too much, well, they put an extra button there so they got you covered. So that's awesome. I love the attention to detail. I can respect that. Alright, once again, I have the Courtneys on in the khaki, and then I have the ultra light weight hunting shirt on. paired with that. And this actually has a UPF of 50. So again, it's going to protect the strong sun in Africa. So love that. And it's actually a little bit cooling too. So this would be perfect for spot and stalk or if it's really hot that day. Also, I have one more pair of pants to show you guys. I am missing a t-shirt. Gotta find it. I'm hoping that it don't get too cold, but I'm personally leaving this at home. But you could definitely take this puffer jacket as well. It's reversible, but I'm skipping out on it because I don't have room in my carry-on. Alright y'all, lastly, I picked out the field pants in olive and then the khaki field shirt. Honestly, I meant to grab the graphic tee, but it's in the wash machine. I just checked, so it's very inconvenient. So I just threw this field shirt back on again, and I'll honestly probably throw this over that t-shirt anyway, so it works out. But that is all for my DSG stuff. No, it's not. I lied. So I picked up this backpack from DSG to fit all of my gear inside as well, and that kind of wraps it up for DSG. Again, if you guys want, I can put together like a complete packing video so you guys can see what fit in my carry-on, what fit in my personal item, and then what I had to shove in my boat case. So it's still a little ways out, but when it does get here, I can definitely film that for you guys. Just let me know below if that's something you'd be interested in or not. But that wraps it up for DSG, and I'm gonna go throw this on with these pants and show you what it looks like. Y'all, I'm also obsessed with this Savage hoodie. I love the thumb holes. I love the color. Perfect for Africa. I wish it wasn't so oversized, but it's going to be all right. It's going to be perfect, again, for the flight, for the late night sitting by the fire. Definitely not something I'm going to wear midday, but maybe throw it over top of a tank top or something early in the morning. Also, if you guys did not know, Savage has their own line of apparel now, and it's right on Amazon. So all you have to do is throw it in your cart. If you have Amazon Prime, you get free shipping, so definitely check that out. This is one of my favorites by them. Also, I'm going to link everything below, so all the DSG will be linked below. The Savage Amazon storefront will be linked below. And I have a couple more items to show you because you can't go to Africa without some binoculars. So I have the Hornady Bino case, which I'm super excited to wear. So it has an extra compartment here so I can throw in everything that I need. So I don't really have to take the backpack with me. I'm kind of debating whether I want to take it or not, honestly. So we'll see if I can fit everything in here or not. And then you can't go to Africa without some gaiters, some boot gaiters. So I just picked these up from Badlands. So we are pretty much ready for Africa this time. So I'm super excited. We're going to be hunting for kudu, crocodile, oryx, and like 5 other animals. I can't think of everything on the spot, y'all, but I am going to say that you're going to want to stay tuned. We have a lot of big projects this year, so I'm super stoked to share them with you guys. Alright y'all, I'm just going to wrap up this video real quick. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.